Hello my dear children, welcome back to another English class of Genesis Preschool. Hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to learn letter writing. Be prepared with your English copy, pencil, eraser, sharpener that all have you need. Before start writing, we can recall the alphabet so that it may help us to remind easily. Then let's say with me: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now put your pencil on the row of English copy. Start from the top and draw a standing line to the bottom like this. With a small backward curve, go to the up and draw a slipping line. Let's make it again. Start from this red line to this blue line. Start from the red line and make a standing line. Then make a curve. Go to the top and make a slipping line. This is J. Do you know what comes with J? J for jug and J for jeep. Practice it regular. Thanks for your interest. Have a nice day. See you in next class.